Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. This is lecture 8 of learning Selenium from scratch. In this video, we are going to talk about the Maven. Okay. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to download the Java in your system and how to download the Eclipse IDE in your system. So if you don't have Java and Eclipse IDE, so you can refer to this lecture 6 and 7 and you can install both the requirements thing. Okay. Now in the lecture 8, we will start with the Maven. Okay. So first, what is Maven? Okay. So before going to this Maven part, first I will tell you like why this Maven required. Okay. Then we can understand. See, if you want to go to the Java project, let me create one simple Java project. Okay. So for creating the Java project, you have to click on this file. Then you have to click on this no. Okay. Sorry, new, and then you have to click on this project, and here you have to select the Java project. Okay, and give any project name. So because I will use this project in our learning for our learning purpose in the upcoming video as well, so I am giving some valid name. Okay, so you can give learn Selenium from scratch. Okay, so I'm giving the project name this one, and then I am clicking, and you have to know one thing. So it automatically check the Java version installed on your machine, and then you will get one option module. So just make sure like this is not checked. Okay, so this option is not checked. Okay, and then click on this please. Okay, so this is the project which we are talking about, and now I will tell you. So this is the Java project. This is a Java project because in this project we don't have any the POM file. Okay, so what happened now, if you want to work with the Selenium, okay, then you have to download the jar files of the Selenium to work on. Okay, and for Selenium there should be multiple jars. I will show you. So if you go to the Maven repository, I will write Maven. Okay, Maven repository means like it is a centralized repository. Okay, ambient repository, so it's a centralized repository. Okay, where you will find all the jar files. Okay, so for an example I'm showing. Okay, so for example, if I'm saying like Selenium, okay, and then click enter. So for this Selenium, if I open this Selenium and then if I click on any version, so here you can see the details as well, like who is a license owner, and then what this we can say library required for. So this is required for the web testing. Okay, and so this is the text they have given. Okay, so if you click on any version, so I will go with this latest one because this latest version is given September 2024 only, so it's a very latest one. So once you click on this version, so you will see we have to two things. The first one, this dependency, some dependency written, and and we have some jar files also. Okay, if you click on this view all, so you will get multiple jar files. So to work with Selenium, if you are working with the normal Java project, then you don't have any options to write this dependency. This dependency, this dependency. Okay, let me back it again. Okay, this dependency. Okay, let me open a new tab so that I can show you parallelly. Okay, so you have to click on this viewer now. So I am saying like if you are not converted to the Maven project, then you have to go and download this all the jars for single Selenium. I am saying okay, only one Selenium tools we are using, so you have to download this multiple jars there. Okay, we have to download these jars. Okay, and then we have to align all the jar files here. Okay, all the jar files here. And how we are aligning now, so we have to go to this file. Okay, and then we have to we have to go to here properties we have, right? No, not like this way. So we have to click on this particular file. Okay, and then we have to go with the build path. Okay, and then we have to go to the build path, configure build path. Okay, and then you have to click on this class path, and so from here you have to click this external jars, and then you have to select all the jars which you are working on. Getting my point? So if you want to do work with the Selenium, so for Selenium, if you select the particular project which you have created, and then you have to go to this location and upload all the jar files. So this will be a very hectic, right? Because if you miss any dependency, or you can say if any jar files, then your program will won't work. Okay, so to reduce this hectic, what they did now, so they have created one Maven. Okay, one Maven. So Maven is a build automation tool. Okay, I will create a notes for you as well. Okay, so what is Maven? So Maven is a Maven is a build automation tool. Okay, which help us to, okay, download all the dependency, download all the dependency, okay, which help us to download all the dependencies, okay, without downloading the, without downloading the jar file. Okay, so in this Maven you don't need to require the jar file downloading, okay, because downloading the jar file will be very hectic, okay, and if you miss any one jar file then your program will won't work. So first what you have to do, you have to first create a Maven project. Okay, so how to create Maven project I will tell you, but yeah, this is a definition, we can say it's a basic claim definition where I am saying like Maven is a build automation tool which help us to download the dependency without downloading the jar file. Okay, so why Maven I already told you, because if you want to go and download the individual jars then it will be very hectic for you. Okay, so how to make Maven project, how to make Maven project. Okay, let's see this point first. Okay, now how to make Maven project. So if you go to this id, then you can directly choose like from file, okay, new or project, and then from here also you can select the Maven project, right? Here from here also you can select a Maven project, but we already created one Java project, so you can convert the Java project to the Maven project. So how to make, so first one, you can create Java project, and that Java project converted to Maven project. Okay, this is the first type. Second one, directly we can create Maven project. Okay, so both will be fine. Okay, you can do either this point or you can do either this point. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go there. Okay, you have to go there, the file, just right click on this one. Okay, and then you will get one option, configure. Okay, so you have to click on this configure, well, hover on this configure, and in the right hand side you will see some options, then you will get convert to Maven project. So click on this convert to Maven project. So once you click on this convert to Maven project, then you will get this pop-up. Okay, so what this pop-up about, see, here mainly two things we have to give. Okay, the first thing is group id, and then second thing is artifact id. So group id and artifact id, what is this? See, artifact id, okay, artifact id means the high level project id. Okay, high level project id. So for example, if you are working with a bank project, so if you are some, like for example, if you are working with any bank project, okay, so the bank project, so you can write like bank one, bank demo, whatever you can write. Okay, so that is a artifact id. But group id will be individual branch. Looks, if you are working in a bank as a finance, if you are working as a bank as a we can say we have some different customer onboarding or different thing, so there should be different verticals, right, in the same bank project. So artifact id means it's a high level project id. So we will give artifacts id as, so here I will give a group id. So group id, as I told you, so artifacts id, as I told you, it's a high level. So high level means like I am giving like it's my unique project name, so I am giving step campus. Okay, so this is my artifact id, and what will be my group id then? So it will be like com dot, okay, com dot step campus. For example, I am saying com dot step campus. So this is my group id. So artifact id means unique id, unique project id, and group id means inside that project, inside this artifact id, what will be my base name, base project name. So base project name is com dot step campus, like this. Okay, you can create. So these two only you have to change, and then once you click on this finish button, then this file you will get, that is a POM file. Okay, so this is a POM file. Okay, and now you are converted into a Maven project. Now you can see so many folders also, and then you are going to get one folder that is pom.xml. So this pom.xml will help you to download all the jar files. Okay, but not manually, means you no need to go to this one, you no need to go to this one and download the individual. Rather than what you can do, you can copy this line of code. So once you click there, as I show you, so once you click here, so it's saying like copy to clipboard. Okay, so either you can copy, but yeah, it's already copied, so no need to copy it. So you, what you have to do, you have to copy this dependency tag, and then you have to go to your IDE. Okay, and then after this version, you have to, write one tag, that is dependencies. Okay, see, first I will paste that one and then show you. Okay, so if I paste here, so you can see like it's saying it's a dependency. Okay, and then this is the tag which we are working, right? So as of now we have only this Selenium jar. Okay, only Selenium jar we are working, that's why we have dependency. But in actual scenario you have to download multiple, we can say multiple dependencies you have to require to download. Okay, so how to do? So for this one, like, we have to write one tag from our end, that is dependencies. Okay, and inside this dependencies you have to download the you have to paste the all dependency. So I just copied out this one dependency which we have copied from the Maven repository, and then we will paste here. Okay, so now you can see here, and this is a comment out, so you can keep it also or you can delete also. So yeah, just keeping as of now. Okay. See, now if I download if I have to need to download other dependency, so what I will do, I will click on this line number 12 and then I will paste here. Okay? Then I will paste here. It should be inside the dependency tag only. Okay, dependencies is a plural form. That's why inside this dependency we have to download all our dependency. Okay, so once you paste this one and click on Control S, means save. So there should be some building process happen, and then you will get this Maven dependencies. So once you click on this Maven dependencies, then you can see all the jar files. You are seeing, right? Before it was not there. Now you will see all the jar files. So whatever jar files you are going to download there manually, by writing this simple 4 line of code, you can download all the dependencies here. So it's a very good one. Okay, so I hope you have understand this one. And one more thing, okay, let me write that one as well. And one more thing, so artifact ID, group ID, and version. So there are 3 things. Okay, these are called okay, coordinates of Maven. Coordinates of Maven. Like, no one will ask, but yeah, just for knowledge purpose, I am saying it to you. So these are called the coordinates of Maven. Okay. So yeah, so in this video, that's all, guys. So we know like how to download the Maven. Okay, all the dependency into the Maven, and how we converted our Java project to a Maven project. Okay, and also we have given the name of artifact ID and group ID to the Maven project, that is compulsory. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this video. So in the next video we will create one class and then we will work with the Selenium. Okay, so yeah, we'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.